Ready to cut the cord? Let's dive into buying IPTV the smart way. First, identify your needs. Do you want live TV, movies, or sports?
Came through flexing 'cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me.
Check out top providers like Layer 7 TV and IPTV US for great options. Next, compare pricing. Many services range from $10 to $30 a month. Don't forget to read reviews to avoid scams. Finally, once you choose a provider, follow their setup instructions carefully. Remember, for unbeatable service, head to 2TV Store. Grab the best IPTV provider today.